Let's draft a quarter roll collar, one in which the collar stands up for a quarter of its width, then falls towards the center back as it tries to fit the area below the neckline. However, it doesn't quite lay flat in that area because of the amount of roll that is given to the collar. So we first draw a horizontal line, and then we're going to draw a vertical line. We intersect that with a vertical line at a right angle. We label that center back and 1. So 1 to 2 is the center back to shoulder. And 2 to 3 is the center back, is the shoulder to the center front. One to 5 is the space, which in this case is 4 inches. Connect 5 to 3. Find the middle of that. And we're going to square up for 1 inch. Label R. Five to 6 will be the collar width. Square off a little from 5. Using your French curve, connect 5 to R and R to 3. So we're going to measure in from 3 towards R, 1 inch. Label 7. Square off from R at 7 straight up. So we're going to get our collar width by following the R line from 6 coming all the way around to the 7 line. When the width touches the 7 line, you label 8. Square out at 8 for your collar point. That is your desired length. according to your design. In this case, I'm going to give it a rounded tip. I'm going to make the point rounded. Just marking it in so that you can see clearer. You have now completed your color draft. And there, 7 to 9 is the pointed color option. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. I've included a pic of the color so that you can see what it looks like at this dimension. It floats away from the back of the neck.